Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about the kernel of the Bible, chapter 9. And the chapter 9 is about Babylon and Jerusalem. In the Bible, there are two lines that run parallel to each other, the line of Babylon and the line of Jerusalem. In Genesis 11, we have Babel. The Greek word Babylon is the equivalent of the Hebrew word Babel. Babylon begins in Genesis 11 and runs throughout the whole Bible until it reaches its consummation in Revelation 17 and 18. In Revelation 18, Babylon is destroyed. In the Old Testament, we have Jerusalem, and in the New Testament, we have the New Jerusalem. Babylon and Jerusalem are opposed to each other. If you have Babylon, you do not have Jerusalem, and if you have Jerusalem, you do not have Babylon. Eventually, Babylon will be destroyed and the New Jerusalem will be completely built up. The Bible says a great deal about Babylon. Speaking of Babylon, Revelation 18:4 says, "Come out of her, my people, that you may not participate in her sins, and that you may not receive all her plagues." This strong call is related to us, for today, God is calling us out of Babylon. This is a serious matter. In order to understand God's call to come out of Babylon, we must know what Babylon is: division and confusion. Many Christians are in Babylon and do not even realize it. They simply do not know that Babylon is here and that they are in it. Hence, I am burdened that we might be clear about Babylon. In the Bible, Babylon has a double significance. The first significance of Babylon is that it is related to division, which causes confusion. The first mention of Babylon, Genesis 11, we see that Babel causes division, and out of these divisions came confusion. Okay guys, this was all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.